On the real quick. Whoa. You put on a pot for Max yet?
No, we put a Max pot it, we put a my pot, Yeah, man, Yeah, man, because Max ain't dumpling, you see.
So I got 50 US here for him. From Susie as well too, from Town, who's our extended family, who we just met. So this is 50 here for young Kino from Susie from Town.
Thanks a lot, Susie. Very good luck, keep and guide and protect you. Thanks a lot for the donation.
Cheers!
Lovely lady here.
You expecting more color?
Yeah.
Colors, you have one less color?
Yes, remember we have all different kind of outfits.
Yeah. Teresa. So yeah, I got a donation here for you from our extended family, which is Susie, from Town.
Yeah, with a one butter bean pan it,
Yes.
Yeah, man, see that? Jamaicans, red, gold and green. Yeah, man, so enough love to the people,
Susie.
Susie, enough respect and blessing, Yeah, man, because I don't know, come see the big pot of one, So,
So when the spirit told us to wear something, you get what I'm saying?
Yeah. So this is Susie from Town.
Okay.
She's
Explain to me, Susie.
It's not the first she ever donate to you.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
You kidding?
I'm not kidding. Susie from Town, we have $110 US here for you towards the project. So you can count that for me, $110 US from Susie. That's from Susie from Town.
Thank you, Susie.
Yes, that'll be Susie. Just leave $20 here for you. So I got $20 here for you from our lovely guest, Susie, our extended family. So I must give Tall P $20.
Susie, boy, I love you now. Thanks for Lisa, really much. To all of my extended family, one love, one heart.
Me don't know what them a pre about. A keynote, can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them not like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard, then want me feel, want me pop down and lose me faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry.
Basket never run dry. Love, heart and love alone.
Baby so gone. So baby I got missed the guest.
Yeah, I got parents teacher meeting, so I have missed the guest. Of course, my proper parents. Me a good mother. Never miss a parents teacher meeting yet from basic school or reach a primary school. And them got high school and them got college, me I walk behind him.
See him here.
Yeah.
When I get married to down the aisle.
Yeah.
a guest coming in today. You know, and I want to apologize for a guest that come here 2 times now. And was checking up for me, but I wasn't here because I wasn't feeling well. So my apology, you know, for wasn't here. You know, when you came here, so my apology. I wasn't feeling well, you know. So I'm here today, you know, feeling a bit better. So we got a guest rolling in today. So hopefully everything will go well for today, you know. So we give thanks. Let's love this. I want the real quick. Whoa. You put on a pot for Max yet?
No, we put on Max pot yet, you know, we put on my pot, you know. Yeah, man, you know. Yeah, man, because Max ain't dumpling, you see? You see me? Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
Before each.
Max pot. Don't come in and chicken back Max eat. Max they eat, you know. Max they eat dumpling and chicken back, man. Max eat tonka meal, chicken back. That's a film flavored food, you know. I'm trying dumpling give me out them now go eat it.
Yeah.
Eat the meat.
Yeah.
See me? But I might pot me a cook right now, man. I'm not cook Max pot yet. See me?
So I go on a your pot now. I go on the whole chef pot. What hot
yeah, pot? Yeah, man, that's yo. That's what I go on now. The Jamaican cat wheel. You say call him dumpling, everybody watch, you know?
The Jamaican cat.
Yeah, man, cat wheel.
Wheel.
So them small.
They look like bearings.
Yeah, man, you're right, you know. Yeah, the bearings wheel them, man. The bearings wheel them, man.
Them and the cat, man.
Yeah, man, they were the bearings wheel them, you know. Yeah, man, it's me I say.
Yeah.
Look at the water, look out that spring up. Yeah, man, just drop them in, man. You see me I say? Good old calm meal dumpling them, you know. Yeah, man. I have a national dish or something, you know.
Yeah?
Yeah, man.
Yes, National Day today.
Yeah, man. National Day. One, you know.
Oh.
Yeah, the brown stew. No, watch it look good.
Jeez.
Check me, I got the red, gold and green in it, you know. I'm gonna throw the butter bean on it, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Get a butter bean from Joe and show up on it.
Well,
that's it.
There's a pure protein I get from the chicken back.
Yeah, man, like back. Most of the youth them and women them say they like the fleshy part, they like the bone. Yeah, man, I said that crunch. Yeah, that's that blicker got leave I got the day say 2 pounder. I call the name and knock them, you know?
Knock him back.
Knock him back.
So 2 pounder, knock the back.
So right now I'm proud of it, you know. Proud of my back.
Yeah.
Brown stew, curry fry, anything, you know? Yeah, I say good old Jamaican calm meal dumpling them there.
Yeah, I go.
Yeah. Just get a butter bean and drop it in now, you know?
Jeez, cat whale.
Yeah, man, genius, man, no?
That is it. Mouse chef in the kitchen, you know. Yeah. Worm in the uptown kitchen.
You know?
You know, I think the worm in the uptown and do the put in the work.
We don't want the genius and one butter bean, you know?
Yeah.
Dropping it, is it?
Keep on bubble.
One day, and me, they are gin, you know?
And say, Mouse chef have the forever young.
Yeah, man, forever young, see ya?
You know, and get to the owl.
Come on, we take 2 car people don't watch it, you know. And look at say now move, man. Because Jamaica, you say today, you know. Nobody, you know.
So they reach England.
Yeah, right now.
Reach New York.
No, and the Jamaican they said, no, you know, spot it. Yo! Just call me name, man. New York it reach.
Yeah.
New York it reach.
Wow, you know what I realize at the time about New York, I reach how I want.
Yeah, man, see there?
How you put it up?
Yeah, man, me put it up, man. Yeah, man. Part of nationality, you know. Yeah, man. Straight America.
Straight America.
Part of nationality, man, you see? Yeah, man, called the border of Mexico. And I tell you, there, man, so. Part of nationality, man. Jamaica, America, New York City, and me represent this, you know.
New York.
Twice, you know, you see?
So not once.
Yeah, twice. Yeah, man. You know, if I travel to 52 states in America, still go 2, alright, you know? And 3. You see? Yeah, man, you see? So,
whoa!
Whoa, man, you know?
For representing, you know?
Twice, man, you see?
Not once.
Oh, yeah, here you go.
Rasta
extend the time. More than love every time. Extend it from big up the whole on every time. More love. Kino every time. We love you know. Yeah, man. Now boom there, go and keep back a reason, you know?
Rasta Messi, Rasta Jackson, Rasta
Yeah,
Messi.
man, they just come off of the work, yeah, you know, go and big up the extending family. They are
See there.
big up Sean Carla, Oliver and Carla, there. Big up Anthony, there, go and hold.
Same.
Yeah, one love.
One road through the struggle.
Yeah, go and hold through the struggle and hold the team.
Same.
Every time, man.
Every time. We have Mother Teresa.
I, my extended family, Father God bless them and keep them, Oliver and Carla, Auntie, Olivia, all our stuff, we extended family. One love, one team, dream team. We can make it work. We can.
She's gonna make it work. Why tall P there make it work?
Cool, man. One tall P, you know, straight, you know. All extended family, big up, all of our respect, all of our love. One team, dream team, stream. Yes, I am.
That is it. Take out your finger, boy. Man like Barney Bob.
Tell you, man, big up yourself, man.
In general, in this game.
Big up all the donors and the subscribers and
Extended family.
And the extended family and everybody, you know. Don't know. One love, one team, one Kino.
Yeah, one team.
That's it.
Barney Bob in the building. Walking barber.
Yeah.
Why is it a walking barber? See it there, here I get him fixed up. Just call Poison and get your fixed up. Anyway in Jamaica, walking barber.
Go. You see?
See it there?
Dream team style. You understand?
Overstand.
AK.
Yeah, overstand. So this is a walking barber. See them I leave him back. Call him anywhere and come string up like son. You know him now play. Trim him a trim. No joke.
Yeah.
Fix up here, well sharp.
Yeah. It's a one lineup. Yeah.
You know, answer, you have to put it here for them girls. You know,
That's only right. That's only right.
It's only right. No, with a walking barber. Poison himself.
Yeah.
Alright, so this is Nakisha. Come on. Come on.
Of course I know Keisha.
Boom.
How you doing? How you doing? How you doing? Good. Same here.
But young Kino, she wants a young Kino.
Hi, how you doing?
Now come in.
You're talking now a lot.
Yes, everybody used to talk loud.
Didn't talk, no?
Jenna.
How you doing? Nice to meet you.
You know,
Tall P.
all big, could never be a short big.
Good. Good to see you. Shit. Hi, Lil. I want to hug you. How you doing? Same here. I'll talk to you. And Esther, what do you call her? Bumming Bowl? How you doing? I'm good.
Bumming Bowl.
Esther Jackson?
Yeah.
Hi, how you doing? Same here. How you doing? Good. Hi, how you doing? Nice meeting you. I gotta ask you a question. My sister wanna ask you.
Find out your question.
Hi, how you doing, chef? Same here. Okay. And Wormy's not here anymore.
Oh, he's in the kitchen.
He's in the kitchen, uptown kitchen.
I know
Hi,
this.
how you doing?
Premix.
My name is Susie.
Susie from
yeah, I'm doing my third time here. I know, I haven't been on this side.
This is Susie from Town. Come on, lads, we'll give Susie from Town a round of applause. And you know Max already. Max, come meet Susie.
Hi, Max.
Come Max, this is Susie. Say hello to Susie. Max will go into hello and gone. Yeah, man. Alright. I will give thanks, Dream Team 1. So you're supposed to know this famous house already. This is the famous house. See the famous face there?
Hi, Jen.
Jen. Don't take your time. Watch it. Yeah, you're gonna see when you go back.
But this one looks familiar.
Where we are is sit.
Yep.
It locked, right? What do they do? So this is where everything is coming on now. So you see, we're not far off.
Yeah, no, I was watching it last night.
Yeah, so the only thing left now is after we finish the windows going, you know, the doors.
So that's the bathroom, right?
Yeah, that's the bathroom there. Very big bathroom. We have the bathroom there.
How do you think this is going to be finished?
As soon as.
Okay.
Because I know Pajan now is gone on the road at his job.
Oh, okay.
So you know we have to, and the natural is doing his job as well.
Right,
so
right.
we always have to wait till we can get the time. You know, because you know everyone tries to put in and bed, everyone volunteer.
Right,
so.
right, it's a volunteer service.
Yeah, because they got their needs. So just recently, as you see, when you got this window,
Right.
because it wasn't no window, you know, so.
Right, I saw when they were knocking it out.
Yeah, so that is that. So we're on the vision to finish it.
The roof is finished, the ceiling.
So the next thing is just the tiling and the painting. And now this is the next thing. We got 2 rooms in here.
Oh, okay.
We got 2 rooms. The next room, come here. This is our room here.
Oh, okay.
And the next room is here. See, so the room is there. As you can see, it's all up and light here as well. You know,
Oh, okay.
both
So
sides.
when this came out, okay.
Yeah.
I remember
So
seeing that too.
we have to give thanks to Fabulous Brothers.
Right.
And they're the one that make it possible for the windows.
Oh, one of the lights is working, right?
It disconnected.
Oh, it disconnected?
From there. So that is that. So we're not far off from that. Dream team! I'm sorry! Quiety! The pin drop, whoa!
Whoa!
Yeah, you just missed Bibica to gone on the road. You want on the back trip. Natural as it is, there's natural there. This is Susie.
Mansion.
BB Mansion. And you're Smiley.
Hi, how you doing? Hi, baby Dream. Hey, mommy. How you doing?
Baby Dream. I know who's this already. The famous Stacy. And hallelujah. Stacy, this is Susie from TrenchTown. You know, our extended family. And you want to show your ear place?
Yeah.
Hallelujah. Take out your finger.
Baby girl. Baby girl. Baby girl. You want to smile with me? All right.
All right, natural.
Okay, natural. Nice meeting you.
Lady.
Nice, yeah. I don't like calling her chicken, please.
No, so her name is Chicken Lady.
Okay, chicken lady. Hi, how you doing? I'm good, I'm good.
Chicken. Chicken Lady.
Chicken lady, okay.
The chicken
That's
lady.
TrenchTown Road, right?
Yeah.
So we come from that way, right?
Yeah, you come from that way.
No, I'm saying you're at
3rd Street.
2nd Street?
3rd Street.
That's 3rd Street.
Yeah.
Okay, so this is 2nd.
That's 2nd, and then the next one down is 1st.
Where's the animal hospital?
It's on College
It's on College Street Drive, okay.
Yeah. It's on the last
Right, the
end.
last at the corner.
Yeah, in the corner. So it's 2N. So finally you're in this place.
I know, I came twice last year.
Yeah, Talpi
where the
live
hell?
right in this yard, so everybody live close. Talpi, you go right through here, so
Okay.
you want to go see Talpi garden?
Sure, I want to see her. I want to take a picture for my sister.
Yeah, Talpi, come lead the way now. Come Talpi. Tarpey, beautiful garden. I wonder if Tarpey have anything ready on tree.
Somebody touch the side tree there.
Somebody touch the sorrel tree.
Yeah, mess up the side tree there.
This is Tarpey entrance. Go and show Tarpey, show them the direction.
That's it.
Tarpey garden. Outside garden. Oh, the Tarpey garden is a window garden. So you have the inside garden where it's inside. And this is the outside one. Oh, somebody touch it. Somebody gonna boil it.
Kill it.
Touch it.
Yeah.
So, this is silent.
Yeah.
They might jump off. So, we don't take them out. I put on top of it. I want to see it.
Oh, so sorry it's there?
Yeah, man. I want to touch it, man. Play with it, man.
Oh.
Now I get it good.
Is that cane or banana? That's cane, right?
Yeah.
That's cane.
Alright, let's show the inside garden now. Where everything is. Take your time. This is the coolest yard in TrenchTown.
So what do you plant?
Yeah.
Oh, you got soursop too?
Yeah, soursop.
I don't see no ackee
One
though.
for soursop. Yes, ackee tree, but ackee no.
So the Tarpey cool yard. So this is where you see Tarpey is doing his work. As you
Hold
can,
up. Oh, that's on the other side. Oh,
yeah.
On the other side. So now cut out a wall there. That we can go over the other side. Then we finish, you know. It look beautiful.
Yeah, as usual, beautiful.
As you can see already, very cool. So everywhere's hot in your
I
school.
know, yeah.
So cool in here. So this is Tarpey Resort, you know.
Yeah.
Cool
So
place.
Either way.
Either way.
yeah. And that's a cocoa.
Oh shit, you got cocoa too?
You get a lot of food in, you know. Tomato, scallion, all the other things, you know.
It's like you're on the farmer's market.
Yeah. No banana. Yeah. Now this store them supply.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. I know them two plant and then I can go over the store.
Okay.
So
as
you
a beer,
supply.
yeah, as a beer, like ask me what I'm about me.
Okay.
Yeah. I even sell them about $200. $250 for some big plant, you know. Yeah, some double plant, sauce, you know. I can make it on.
Hello.
Yeah.
What's the saying? Turn your hand to fashion or something like that?
Yeah.
And that's what Tarpey you do, you know.
Help yourself, right?
Yeah, definitely, have to. Still there.
The bus stop sign still up.
Don't go bus stop sign right now, it's still right there.
But they don't run anymore?
No. I was way back in the days. Barna, which bus stop Barna?
19 bus.
19.
That's JOS bus?
Yeah, 19 bus.
That's before them build house in the road. Cause there's house in the road, you know. Yeah, so you cannot go all the way up again. Yeah, so that was separated and build a house in the road now. You know what I'm saying?
Go straight out the back circle and
Is that where the football field is?
Yeah, Arnie Garden.
Right.
Yeah, go all the way up. All the way up to jungle. You still a trim? Dream, 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 dream. Dream, in a smile, in a be a dream, in a smile.
Yeah, go back to your mother now.
Huh? Oh, there's he.
I know, Kino. I don't know if I do call that. What grade you in?
Yeah.
What, secondary school? It's after my time, second form.
Man, voice get roughy.
I know.
I really I turn old Kino now.
Only one? You go to school every day, or you stay home? School, home. Every day. Oh, so every day now? Okay.
That's up on Reddy's Road, Calabar.
So what time you gotta leave here? After 5.
Travel far away. And then place full of traffic and everything, you know, up at this road.
Supposed to be in school? Don't taxi take the kids to school or pick them up and take them to school or something?
No, I have to just take a random taxi like to location.
Charge 150 to go to school.
Oh, you have somebody? Okay.
Okay.
Okay, so you just travel with him.
Yeah, I wanted that you come God, I missed the day. I mean, the days when I used to go to school. I just walked to school. Downtown secondary.
Them time. I don't Kino boys get rough, man.
I know. Well, he's growing.
He grew.
Turning into a man now. So you're 14? But you're going into your 14th year.
December.
Good. That's a good work.
Young Kino.
Yeah, okay. What's your real name? What's your first name? Omar. Okay.
Yeah. Not young anymore.
No.
We're not hero. We're sure I run by hero.
I just had a problem with that.
Go on. Oh, I should outside, sure. Watch that. So this is hero and this is hero door here. So this is.
The water got cleared up.
Yeah. Cause them start there's some cleaning up around here as well. So this is where the water was. And all them bush. Where it's a snagger come around here. Remember when snagger first come around here and pick the bush. So this is it. So this is what's going on around here. Okay.
Cast up them posts here.
This is the hero window, because it's not big, you know, so I just place her from here to there.
It's just a moment, right? Doesn't need much room.
So it just need fixing up. So which is to say, I might try to get done as well too. Yeah. Everyone trying to do something, you know? Trying to make use of what they get.
Right.
Don't smile. All right, Max. Come.
Well, hello, Mr. Kino. How you doing? Fine to meet you.
Yeah, I'm not. Yeah. Oh, that's alright.
Fine to meet you.
Yeah, man. Nice to see
How
you.
you doing?
Alright.
We just visit.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
So we could wait for so we'll just bring her around there.
Okay. Yeah, man.
And just see the work we're going.
So everything blessed?
Everything's
I never catch your name.
Susie.
Susie.
I'm Susie from Jamaica. This is Susie.
Okay. So it's nice to put a face to the
Yeah. But you know, she can't show her face on the videos because, you know, she want to be anonymous same way.
Okay, I understand.
So we'll just respect that.
It's a blessing that you come down and come spend some time with me. Can you understand?
Yeah, because I wanted to come last year, but I couldn't get in touch with him.
Oh.
I didn't know where to go.
Okay.
I'm here for a funeral again, so.
Oh, so you was here for funeral before?
Last year I was here for a funeral.
And then funeral
I was
again?
on vacation, then I came back for a funeral, and now my uncle passed away.
Wow, sorry. Our condolence goes out, you know. Really sorry to hear that. Wow,
So this is, all this is TrenchTown, right?
Yeah.
This is TrenchTown. From you go to Johnstown.
What about over there?
TrenchTown,
That's
like a
TrenchTown?
Rosetown.
Yeah.
You have Rosetown over there, but it's considered TrenchTown same.
Mm-hmm. We're all the
I
way.
always thought Rosetown was in like the country.
Oh.
No, you probably have an extra, because you have two names everywhere you go.
Yeah.
You understand? So you probably have a Rosetown in the country.
Well,
TrenchTown I'm familiar with. Rima I'm familiar with. Never been there, but...
Rima is the same thing.
No, but Rima's Rima. TrenchTown's TrenchTown, right?
No, this is Rima.
We're in a TrenchTown.
In a Rima, but let's call it TrenchTown.
I thought Carly Smith divided Rima and TrenchTown.
No, we are one TrenchTown same way. You see when you come down from Roses, the Roses kind of Jungle, it says welcome to TrenchTown.
Mm-hmm.
You understand?
You know the Rima sign?
Yeah.
Even up for
But that's
Johnstown.
Wilton Gardens, right?
All of this is Wilton Garden.
But it's
but the reason, yeah.
Small community, you understand? Johnstown.
Hold up, Johnstown?
It's entered in a TrenchTown as well. It's
Yeah.
Bricktown, TrenchTown.
But it's Kingston 13, right?
Yeah, but it's still the community.
Yeah.
Shit.
Yeah, this
All these
TrenchTown.
goddamn time I'm thinking they're separate communities.
No,
We are
it's
one
one.
community.
So this is all Rima. From over here to over there is Rima.
But downtown's different from y'all, right?
Yeah. Yeah, cause I think them and town now again.
Kingston 14.
Yeah, so it's different. It's different as well too. But the whole of this is TrenchTown. But the reason why them call it Rima is when it's separated from up by jungle and down here through politics. I remember before it was called Trench Pen.
Right, with the pigs and all that. Yeah, I heard the history about it. Yeah.
But who the page up?
Pigs.
Oh, pigs them, yeah. So it was like a farmland.
Yeah.
A farmland. So it's divided. You know, so everything is Rima.
Yeah, I just passed the train.
Yeah,
man, over Rima.
Yeah, I was right there. I'm like, oh, this looks familiar.
Over action,
yeah. And
so now, where's the museum at?
First Street.
Yeah, right
down here. This is third, so you have second and then first.
And after first is Spanish-Town Road.
Yeah.
But you have Columbus Road before that, yeah.
I used to take my grandmother's dog to the animal shelter.
Okay, that's done by Spanish Town Road.
Animal shelter.
But I'm thinking it's such a small.
I know, it's small.
Yeah, you can walk. But when I used oh, it's small.
Yeah. You can go in.
Oh, y'all moved the stove.
Yeah. It's always been there.
Oh, it always been so.
No, it's always been there.
Just doing about a bean and watch them leave. Yeah, man, see there?
I thought you had to put some more shelves up.
Yeah, man, need some more shelves.
Yeah, some more cupboards. We're gonna make some cupboards.
Yeah, man.
We'll make some cupboards.
Jamaican style, you know, national dish, you know.
So it's cooking.
Yeah, with brown stew, this is brown stew and the curry, you know. Yeah, with a one butter bean pan it, you know.
Yes.
Yeah, man, see that? Jamaicans, red, gold and green. Yeah, man, so enough love to the people, you know. What love, you know,
Susie.
Susie. Enough respect and blessing, you know. Yeah, man, because I don't know how low, you know. Come see the big pot of one, you know. Just a
Oh, where y'all
two
cook
flour.
outside? Y'all cook outside too, right?
Yeah.
Where?
Right over there.
Yeah, man,
Oh, it's over there.
Yeah. So we put the stove, we got outside stove.
See the Susie? Put on the floor, you know, I want to get food, I want to get 2 and 3 and a half. food, cut up another one there, one left. Yeah, man, I say.
Oh, chef feed the nation with that, less than what you think.
5 loaves and 2 fish.
Yeah.
5 loaves and 2 fish.
I'm done with the meat now. Half on the rice, look more on the side, because I'm going to eat up the dumpling right now. Yeah, man.
And that bearings we have.
Bearings, you know? Yeah, you see that?
And then smaller wheels.
Look at bearing settings them there. Yeah, man, you see that's just smoke Susie. Yeah, man, genius, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, you know, say, me have one of the best frying pan around the talk about it, you know.
The original frying pan.
I remember when it first started.
Yeah, see there.
Mackerel and now you elevated, you moved up now.
And he's not getting rid of it. He's not getting rid of it.
I got one like that too.
See there? It's very sentimental to you, know.
Came off and I'm still using it.
This is how him started and said this is the only pot he's not getting rid of.
Shit tastes good too.
Spikes. I think say.
Yeah,
put the best.
Yesterday somebody come and tell me about it. I love the pot you out. What me I said, you know, from 1988 there, you know.
Yeah.
You can't never so long there, you know, genius.
Classic.
Yeah, man. So me I tell them, listen, watch this. This is just a simple thing. I just watch it so smooth, you know. Yeah, the fire rich. We can't just come every time I never come out.
Food tastes better than that too, right?
Yeah, so this now we can't, you see me?
Can't get rid of that.
Yeah, so this now are the original. Like I cook chicken back and thing very nice and steak. So always get it, the meat flavor nice. You know? Yeah, man. Just put a big fish in and just lay down. So.
Whoa.
Yeah. You see that some can't get rid of it, you know?
No, I hear you.
Vintage patties, you know? Yeah, man. So.
Mr. Chin there. Yeah, that's the Mr. Cheese! 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 You expecting more color?
Yeah.
Colors, you have one less color?
Yes, remember we have all different kind of outfits, you know?
Yeah.
So when the spirit told us to wear something, you get what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So this is Susie from Town.
Okay.
She's
nice to meet you, Miss Susie.
it's not the first she ever donated to you.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
You kidding?
I'm not kidding.
Yeah, but Kino, guess why I'm not at the airport today? I don't feel very
well.
Yes, so just say.
One more? Any more? Colors, where you get them poser from? Colors. Colors, where you get them poser from?
Oh shit.
Colors. Colors, how you make them pose?
Yeah, we have no.
But like the outfit.
Yeah, everybody told me, bro.
Like the outfit.
Yeah, whenever the first time I wear this outfit, we go at the airport. A lot of girls, they were saying, colors, you know, you're gonna take up my outfit and leave with us. I say, you're crazy.
Crazy?
No.
No way.
You know what I'm saying? My folks, them have to say, my outfit for my folks, them. You get me?
Yes, sir. You say too dark now?
Too dark.
She say you like it with any more color.
Oh, you want me to put on something lighter?
No, not now.
Not now, but I'm saying I prefer you in the...
Oh,
more colors.
Oh, but
yeah.
we could go change.
Next time.
Oh, they mostly like the colors.
Yeah, so this is a dark color. They like the bright color.
Yeah.
With the flowers color.
Because even Susie, you see at the airport, oh my gosh.
Were you there Sunday?
Huh?
Were you there Sunday?
Sunday. Was you there Sunday? Airport Sunday?
No, I wasn't there Sunday.
So
Sunday she came in?
Yeah, so you missed her.
If I were there, you would have to see me.
I know, I was looking for you.
Yeah, because true, guess you know, I don't really go airport on Sunday. You know, I have my Sunday dinners. Yeah, so, you know, we're not really, you get what I'm saying?
My flight got canceled, so I got here late. But I'm leaving Sunday again.
I was sick, like, from last month. Yeah, abscess came out on my leg right here, so I made have to admit at the hospital. You know, but the doctor them told me that I must not hackle up myself, but this is Susie. I can't sit down.
But you just got to do it carefully though.
Yeah.
Kino, you can tell me, I don't really like sit down. as sick as I see my be, I always like, but to them I say no, I'm not going to force it. You know? Yeah, I was just sleeping in the jacuzzi bed all day today. Yes.
And it's a man who save him money, you know. Because he help out himself in the hospital.
Good thing we have a little money put down. Like last month Susie, although I never tell Kino, around 20,000 it cost me. But I'm a saving. Yeah, but yes I know. It a go down.
So you have to go back.
Yeah, I have to do this. But over the airport now, Susie is very slow. Because I was over there last night, I don't raise the money. Me over there the first night. Never too, you know. But like November, December now. Yeah, the place gonna get busy again. But so yes, alright, even December coming, oh my gosh, I have a special outfit, you know. Yes, I have some special outfit for people, I say man. Yeah, because they love me at airport, you know, so if I don't go to airport like for 3 or 4 days, every minute my phone around, Colors, what's up with you? Good to see you, bro. Even the cops them over there. Yes.
Famous Colors, you know. Them like him energy, man, him vibes.
What she say?
So how come you speak the language you don't?
What I'm saying?
Yeah.
If I were there, she would have to see me.
Yeah, but you speak so much English and you cannot understand her English. Oh yeah, it's got an hearing problem. Yeah.
Yeah, if I were there, she would have to see me, bro.
Of course, she can't miss the color.
Oh my gosh, look at Susie. You see the last time I was at airport, a JetBlue flight, it cancelled going back to New York. So this lady now is the first seeing me, you know. You see when she saw me, oh my gosh, alone screaming. She just come and give me a hug and say, Colors, it's the first I seen her face to face. She gave me $70, you know. Just imagine if she was flowing down.
Flowing down.
Yeah. She's going up and she let me say me the box.
Yeah, just flowing down.
She's flowing down.
Jeez.
That's good donors now. I have to love her. You see that name they want to give me Colors? Oh my God. That name.
I remember from you before you started doing this. I remember when you saw you and you were in the museum. You were dancing.
Oh yeah. I thought one time me used to go on a culture yard.
Yes.
One time I just started.
Yo,
But I've been following you from Susie Gardens from
Jamaica Good Life.
Jamaica Good Life, yeah.
And then when I come and me, I go on a culture yard and I dance.
Okay.
You know.
Honestly, Susie, Juki Jam wasn't going nowhere.
Colors. When say Juki Jam now, Colors I go somewhere.
You see, from I get the name now. A big outfit.
I see that.
Yes, man. Even when me there at the airport and like, you know, me did a talk to a couple of passengers. They were saying, damn, where you get an outfit? I say, I want them downtown, you know.
I wonder where you get them.
Downtown.
Everything is downtown. Even the army suit where you see me, you know.
Yeah.
Body downtown. Yeah, all the shows you book, everybody asks me. Anything you want, because we have my special store them when me go shopping downtown.
Special guy. Very special.
So you're here since Sunday?
Yeah, I'm going back Sunday.
We have to share the love.
Alright, Toby, take care. Take care of that garden.
How you mean?
Yeah, again, you know. I'm in the garden hiding, you
Yes, Talpi. Susie, you know, just leave $20 here for you. So I got $20 here for you from our lovely guest, Susie, our extended family. So I must give Talpi $20.
Susie, boy, for love, you know. Thank you, it's really much. To all of my extended family, one love, one heart.
Dream team. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, son. Yeah, man. So we give thanks and thank you so much, Susie. You know, thank you so much for visiting us. You know, it is a pleasure. You know, I'm wishing to see you again soon. You know, so we give thanks.
What if I love Susie?
Every
What if I
time.
love extended family? And what if I love Mama Twitch?
See that. And Mother Teresa. So yeah, I got a donation here for you from our extended family, you know, which is Susie, you know, from Town. Susie from Town. We have $110 here for you towards the project. So you can count that for me, $110 from Susie. That's from Susie from Town.
Thank you, Susie from Demontown. Thank you very much. Love stop, can't stop. I hope your food basket never empty or run dry. Father God bless your family then. All of my extended family will start from starting till now. Oliver and Carla, big up yourself. Olivia, big up yourself. Satnam, big up yourself. All of my extended family. One team, dream team.
So not finish. I have a donation from young Kino, you know. But I guess young Kino, yeah, keep. Yeah, so I got 50 U. Going and staying, right? So I got 50 US here for him. From Susie as well too, from Town, who's our extended family, who we just met. So this is 50 here for young Kino from Susie from Town.
Thanks a lot, Susie. May the good Lord keep and guide and protect you. Thanks a lot for your donation for little Kino. Help him a lot. Thanks a lot for all that you're doing for the team and other people. May good Lord keep and guide and protect you always. And big up yourself. One team, dream team. Own a real team. Love and love alone.
Alright, so we give thanks for Susie from Town.
Watch out now, you see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kiri Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no.
Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we'll make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better end.